This is going to be a tutorial video on how to replace the LCD display panel in a Dell Latitude E6330 laptop. So the first step, of course, I have the laptop shut down. You want to remove the battery, so you turn the laptop over, press the little tabs here to the side, and lift the battery out and set it aside. Flip it back over. Alright, and now we have to remove the display bezel, which is the black frame around the panel. And to help me, I'm just using a small flathead screwdriver. I'm going to get underneath the center of the bottom here. I'm going to pry underneath and hopefully lift the bezel and give me a little bit of room to maneuver. I'm going to use a smaller screwdriver, a little easier. Here we go. Almost got it, right? And I'll create a little space up top, get my fingers underneath it and start moving along the edges, pop it out. Go up the sides, on this side, and the top. Right, and set it aside. Now we're going to have to remove this display panel, which is connected by a series of screws. I'm going to use a number 0 Phillips head screwdriver. I can get it out of my toolkit here. Alright, now I just want to lift the panel off from the top. Lift it up. And we're going to want to disconnect this cable down here, so let's get rid of the tape. And we're going to want to pull gently. Let's pull this piece of tape up as well. Nice, okay. Comes off pretty easily. And let's set this aside. This is the old panel. Let's grab the new guy. That's just that. So you can see, nice new panel, very shiny. Let's take off the little protective screen in front. Okay, it's looking pretty good. So same thing, we want to essentially do what we all just did in reverse. So let's put this back in. I can manage it. There we go, and place the tape back up. Okay, then we put it back into place. Make sure the cable has room. Okay, line up the screws. Okay, so we have the new panel in place. Let's just screw it back in. Okay. Now let's put the bezel back on. So the bezel can be a little tricky because sometimes it likes to stick in weird places, but I just like to line up the top corners and then just push it in. It'll snap in like that. Alright, and then just go along the edge and snap it back in. Okay, with the bezel back in, now we can replace the laptop. I'm sorry, replace the battery. Hopefully you don't have to replace the laptop after you do this. And you're good to go. That's how you replace the LCD display panel on a Dell Latitude E6330.